To get rid of inner thigh rash naturally. The experts say that the rash that suddenly occurs in your inner thighs can result from several factors, ranging from an allergic reaction to a parasite infection. The appearance of the rash and other symptoms present are usually unique and can help determine which condition you are suffering from. This is why you should be very careful and make sure you contact your doctor if the rash is itchy and inflamed or associated with other symptoms, such as pain and breathing difficulties, or has not cleared within few days. In this video we're going to show you how to get rid of inner thigh rash, in all natural way, but first I would like to say a few words about this condition. Well, the experts say that when your thighs rub together, friction occurs. This friction causes the skin on the inner thighs to become irritated and may lead to a heat rash, which is also known as miliaria. When the skin becomes irritated, the sweat glands may become blocked. This causes red, white or pink raised bumps to occur. The affected area is likely to itch or feel prickly and may feel painful. A heat rash is most likely to occur when you are in a hot or humid environment, but it can occur anytime the thighs rub together. Unfortunately, the skin irritation in the inner thigh area is actually quite common. This might happen due to allergies due to constant contact with damp clothes, specific chemicals, and several other reasons. One of the reasons can be skin chafing, chub rub, for people who are overweight or who exercise a lot. It can also happen in babies whose diapers don't get changed enough. Rashes due to skin chafing can occur under breasts, groin area, underarms, between buttocks, etc. But the most common skin eruption occurs in the inner thigh region because of chafing thighs. Skin rashes, especially in the inner thigh area, are caused by contact with damp clothes, infrequently changed diapers, constant rubbing or friction with clothes, allergies. For overweight people, the thighs constantly chafing against one another, exercises like running, swimming, etc. Skin perspiration, damp or dirty bedclothes, reaction to ointments or gels, humid environment. How to get rid of inner thigh rash in all natural way. 1. Deodorant. The experts say that you should apply deodorant on the affected area. It will help you keep your skin clean and it will prevent sweating. You should definitely try this simple but effective method. 2. Talcum powder. Well, you probably have talcum powder readily in your home. You should apply some powder on your inner thigh where rashes have formed, since this powder will reduce sweating and it will help you with this problem. 3. Coconut oil. Yes, this may sound weird, but the super healthy oil is very useful in soothing inner thigh rash. You just need to take a spoonful of coconut oil and apply it over the affected area. Apply it and leave it overnight. In the morning when you wake up, you'll notice that the rash is gone. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you and have a good one.